If your Steam achievements are missing from the library, blank, outdated, or just not showing at all, don't worry, because this is usually a simple Steam client display issue and not a problem with your actual achievements. In 2026, this is often caused by a sync hang between the newer Steam client and the Steam servers, especially because the library is now rendered through Steam client WebHelper. That means a small cache problem can make the achievement section look broken, even when your achievements are still there. In this video, I'll show you the best fixes step by step, starting with the easiest and most successful method first. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam fixes and PC tutorials. It really helps the channel grow and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get into the first fix. The most successful method is to refresh Steam's local achievement stats files. Steam stores a local cache of your achievement icons and related data, and if that file gets corrupted, the library may stop displaying them properly. To do this, first close Steam completely, make sure it is not minimized in the background, and check your system tray as well, because Steam often keeps running there. Once Steam is fully closed, open File Explorer and go to C:\program files, x86 /Steam /app cache. Inside that folder, look for a folder named stats. This is the part you want to remove. Delete the stats folder completely. Don't worry, this will not delete your games or your actual achievements. It just forces Steam to rebuild the cached achievement data. Now restart Steam. When Steam launches again, it should automatically pull fresh achievement information from the cloud and rebuild the library display. In many cases, this alone is enough to bring the missing achievements back right away. If that did not fix it, the next thing to try is a hard reload of the Steam library cache. Because the library works more like a web page now, sometimes the data simply gets stuck and needs a fresh reload. To do that, open Steam and go to Settings, then Downloads. At the bottom of that page, click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart after this and you will need to log back in. That is completely normal. This step can clear invisible bugs, broken cache data, and display issues that prevent the achievement section from loading correctly. After you sign back in, go back to your library and check whether the achievements are now visible. If the problem is still there, the next fix is to disable GPU accelerated rendering in Steam's web views. This is another common cause when parts of the library interface fail to render properly. Since the achievement section is displayed through Steam's web-based interface, a graphics driver conflict can sometimes make specific layers disappear or fail to load. To change this, go to Settings, then Interface. Look for the option that says Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views and turn it off. After that, restart Steam again. Once Steam opens back up, check your library and see if the achievement section is showing correctly. This fix is especially useful if the issue started after a Steam update or a graphics driver change. Now, if the problem only happens for one specific game, then the issue may be tied to that game's files. In that case, the best thing to do is verify the game files. Right-click the game in your Steam library, choose Properties, then open the Installed Files section. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and repair missing or broken files. This can also force a new handshake with Steam Cloud for that game's app ID, which may help refresh the achievement list for that specific title. If the achievements appear for other games but not this one, this step is definitely worth doing. If you have tried all of these steps and the achievements are still not showing, the issue may be temporary on Steam's side, so give it some time and try again later. But in most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem quickly, especially the stats refresh and cache reset. So to recap, start by deleting the stats folder in App Cache, then clear the download cache, then disable GPU accelerated rendering, and finally verify the game files if it's only one game. That order gives you the best chance of fixing the issue fast without doing unnecessary steps. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Steam troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.